Do you have an elevated shoulder where one trap is really stiff and bound up? I want to help you with that. And all you need is this little band right here and 3 moves. So the first thing we have going on is this trap here is so strong and dominant. It's pulling the shoulder joint up, creating pinching in the front of the shoulder joint. And the lower trap and the serratus aren't pulling the shoulder blade down. So we're going to fix that. The first thing I want you to do is called a scapular retraction. All you're going to do is stick your arms out straight, pinch your shoulder blades together, and then push them apart. As you push them apart, flex the muscles beneath your rib cage here so that you can feel them hold in place. And then when you pinch, squeeze the muscles in between your shoulder blades, go back and forth, and do a set of 10 just like that. Next, we're gonna do a bent arm scapular retraction. So I'm gonna put my arms on the wall. Again, I'm going to pinch my shoulder blades together and then push them apart. This is working more of the serratus muscles around the outside of the shoulder blades. 10 reps of that, and we have 1 more move. Now we're gonna use our band. I'm gonna pull the band apart, shoulder width, and not let my hands come in or out outside my elbows. Try to keep them perpendicular the whole time. I'm gonna push up and down the wall like so. Just like this, flex the muscles around your shoulder blade. When you have this flexed and working, after these 3 sets, make sure you retest. That shoulder should come down a little bit and your posture should improve. Make sure you share this with one of your friends who's got that nagging neck pain and stiffness on one of their side of their trap. It'll help